Here. Not sure what's happening.
What? Is
Well,
that it?
okay, yes.
What are we watching? Guys, what are we getting sent here? What was that?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure when she's not wearing pants.
Why
We're not-
isn't she
we're-
wearing
we're-
pants?
We're not sure what
What
the
was
adjustment
that?
was for. We're not sure what the problem was.
We're not. Maybe there's a good explanation for this video.
Well, let's see what the comments say.
Let's see what they say. Is that the whole thing? Maybe there's a much long.
I also tried this with my friend, and now she's pregnant.
Lady, thanks. How much do I owe you, chiropractor? I don't work here. Oh.
Great doctor, very compassionate and thorough. She only came in for a prescription. Her. So how long have you been a chiropractor? Him. A chiro what?
Oh,
Yes.
God.
These are great. These are great. Not sure what we
What?
watched here as
I'm
far
not-
as the medical aspect of
No.
it, but the comments are great.
Can we watch a real medic? I mean, I'm sure there's. I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Well, we can just go to the comments.
I can't read it. Client. So I'm having pain in my chest area.
Chiropractor. Okay, take off your pants. The other comment is relaxed. But I am relaxed. I'm talking to myself.
There are 13,000 comments on this video.
And most are better than the video itself.
Maybe we've seen too many videos that's been sent to us. Look. Maybe there was a good. Maybe this is part of a longer video where they show why this girl's being fondled by the chiropractor. Sorry.
All right.
Let's just go. Let's no. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, please, if you haven't already. We'll see you in the next one.